Hey everyone, in case you missed it, this is still my favourite, the 120. Just want to show you how to solve a quick problem. Happens every now and then. These things get old and tired. They get dust from being used, nearly 500,000 kilometres. Over 17 years travelling around Australia. Anyway, these console covers, it's not what it's about, but Bell Street, the seat cover joint, across the road from Macca's, while he's still there. Anyway, seat belts. You want to get out of your car and you go to press the button and you kind of go like that and not much happens. I've noticed it more in the 120 Prados, but this can be in any make and model. So I'll call this how to get your seatbelt working again or something like that. And there's other issues with retracting the seatbelt. That'll be another video, so subscribe to the bell if you don't want to miss it. But this one, when you press the button, but this one, you'll see it works really well because I just lubed it now. There's different things you can use. First thing I recommend is you get your compressed air in it. Just make sure it's clean. Blow the dust out if you can. Keep things clean. Use those yellow cloths, those Kirkland cloths that you get from Costco, you know, the 24 pack for about 20 bucks. Bargain. They last forever. Anyway, those yellow cloths, clean things. You can see this car looks grotty. See where it says press? Right? Actually, it doesn't even show it that well on the camera. It's like really dirty. It's really dark in colour. Makes me feel like getting a little flat blade screwdriver and a rag and just scraping all that. I might actually do that. But anyway, blow it out, spray something. Like I used silicone spray on this one. It worked. I didn't have any silicone spray left on my other 120 when it was annoying me a few weeks ago. So I got a little bit of CRC and I was went, just a quick little, you know, literally just a quick, just like that. And the idea of the rag is so you can just wipe off the excess like that. And then when you bring your seatbelt along, it just helps things work and you just clicks in and it clicks out, right? So this one was starting to happen to me years ago. Haven't lubed it for years. Starting to get a bit annoying. Probably noticed it because the one in the other car is so good because I hit it with the CRC. This one's annoying me, so what do? I did that. And this blows stuff out or pushes it in or what, but I want it nice and clean. Bit of lube, Bob's your uncle, quick video, 2 minutes. Yak, 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 blah, blah, blah. Catch you in the next one if you subscribe and turn the bell on. See you then.